Hi, are you having noisy audio when you are recording videos or podcasts or whatever, and your audio is too low, your noise is too high, and there are clicking sounds and there are stuff that could be better? If that's the case, I want to show you how we can fix that in this video, so let's get to it. Okay, we are in Audacity, and I have prepared a recording done with the Rode VideoMic Go 2, which I have on top of my camera right now, but I plugged it into my computer and recorded in Audacity a test track, which looks like this. As you can see, there are some loud parts that I need to take down. And there are also, if you can see here at the beginning, there are a little noise that I want to fix, and I want to make it sound good. So here is what it sounds like now. The raw audio directly into Audacity from my Rode VideoMic Go 2. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. The gain is at 100%. The input is peaking at between -9 and -6 decibels. So the gain seems okay. And I wanted to see how this actually sounds and what I can do to improve it, and show you the steps in between. So this is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's the audio track. As you can see, there are some high parts. It's one here, and it's one here, and there is one here, and also this one and this one, which I want to take down. I usually don't do compression and limiting if I can avoid it, because that deteriorates the audio. It messes with the quality of the audio, the dynamics and stuff. So I want to I mark the place that I want to take down. I have installed a plugin called the ACX check, which I can do an ACX check on the whole file now, just to show you. It tells me that the peak levels are at -4.03 dB, and the noise floor is -52 dB. I want a noise floor of at least -60, -65, preferably. And peak level I want to have at approximately between -3 and -1. I think I'll do -3 on this one. So what I want to do, remember the top is at -4 dB. I guess it's this one. Let's check it out. Analyze, ACX check. Yes, it's that one. Let's take that one down first. I want this top here to be close to what's recorded here, and that is -8.84 dB. That means we have -8, -7, 6, 5, 4. We have around 4 dB. That this part needs to go down. So I select this here and go to Effects, Volume and Compression, Amplify, and enter -3 first to see if that's okay. Yeah, well, I can take these both and go through the same process again and take that down -2 dB. That's better. Okay, let's have a look. Here is also something. I want most of the audio track to be around this level before I do a normalize and get up the gain on it, -8.8. Okay. If I include this one, I will get -6.4. That's too 2.5 dB or something like that. I will bring this part down. This part, I want to bring it down 2 dB. Amplify -2, enter. That's better. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Here also is a part. This is the beginning of the file. Let's check out this part. It's at -6.8. Let's take this down 2 dB. Effect, volume and compression, amplify -2, enter. Yeah, I'll take it down another dB. It looks like it's a little high still. Yeah. Okay. Good. Let's have a look at the whole track. Here is some stuff that we need to take care of maybe. This was at -10 dB, okay, and this part here is how much? -8, okay. Let's take this part down. Volume and compression, amplify -2. No. I take that down just 1 dB. It's okay, I think, if I do like this. Okay. This part we can take down 1 dB or so. Let's zoom out. Here is a part that we need to address. Let's see. If I take this part, effect, no, analyze ACX -8.3, and this is, if I include this part, 8.3, we get to 6.22, 2 dB down with this part, effect, volume and compression, amplify -2 dB. A little better. Here I think there is something that's sticking up. Let's find out how much. -8.3. This part is -5, -6. Was it 5 or 6? -6, okay. Which means this part will have to go down at least 2 dB. Effect, volume and compression, amplify -2. Okay, this part can go down. I don't always use the ACX check. Sometimes I just look at it and take it up and down as I go, and like this should be okay. Here is also a part which I want to take down a couple of dB, -2, like that. No, that's too much. Effect, volume and compression, amplify -1. I think it should be okay. Okay, here we go. This is here also is a part I want to address. This is how much ACX -8.3, and this part is -8.2. Okay, let's leave that. It is not worth doing something about this part maybe. volume and compression amplify -1 or so. Okay, that's manually compressing the audio file. So let's have a listen. I will make a copy of everything here and drag this one up so, and listen to this track. This is a copy of this one with all the tops taken down. So let's listen, see how this sounds. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. The gain is at 100%. The input is... It sounds pretty okay. No nasty peaks and stuff like there was in the first pass. So the second thing I need to do is remove noise. So I will select a few seconds of only background noise and go to Effect, Volume and Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction, and Get Noise Profile. Now I've told Audacity what the noise actually looks like, and I will select the whole track, go to Effects, and the same noise removal and repair and noise reduction, same choice once again. I usually use these settings. I found them to be okay, but you will have to experiment with this yourself to actually find your settings and what you feel most comfortable with. If I press the preview here, we can listen to what it sounds like after I have done this. This is just a preview function. This is a test of the Rode Video. It actually sounds pretty good, so let's run the noise reduction. And here you can see that it's much quieter than it was before. Let's play the track after noise reduction of 12 dB and see what it sounds like. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. The gain is at 100%. The input is peaking at between -9 and -6 decibels. So the gain seems okay. That is pretty good. Let's do a comparison. Double click on this to select that. Analyze and ACX. Noise floor is -52 dB on the original track. Here on the one that I have done noise reduction on is at -64 dB. So it's 12 dB quieter, which is a very good thing. Next thing, I will may do another noise reduction pass later, but before I do that, I want to normalize the track to get the sound level up. I have cut down the tops here so that it doesn't mess with a normalization procedure inside Audacity. Volume and compression and normalize, and I select -3 dB. That's okay. Apply, and you can see that the whole track is a lot louder now, including the noise. That's why I needed to do the noise reduction before the normalization. Okay, here is the sound of the original track. Let's mute this one that we have fixed already and take a listen to the original track. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. As you can hear, there's quite a lot of noise at the start there, and let's mute this and listen to the one that we've treated already. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. The gain is at 100%. The input is peaking at between -9 and -6 decibels. a lot better. The noise level on this one, noise floor is ACX check is minus 52 decibels. And if we take this one and run an analysis and run the ACX check on this one, it's minus 52.10. It's still a little noisy, which I want to address. I want to do another noise removal, so I do the same procedure. Again, noise reduction, get noise profile, double click, effect, noise removal and repair, noise reduction, 12 dB, same numbers as before. Okay. Let's do an analysis of this one. Minus 52 dB noise floor. Here is the noise floor of the one that we have treated. Minus 70 dB. That's 18 decibels quieter. So let's have a listen to this track. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Starting to get pretty okay, if you ask me. If I double click and select that and do an analysis, we are at minus 3 dB. We can normalize it to minus 1 dB if we want to. That will make the track 2 decibels louder. So. And it's fine by YouTube if you're going to do a YouTube video or something. But don't do this if you're recording an audiobook or stuff. Then use the ACX numbers. You can see the volume went up, and let's listen to the finished product. This is what I would call okay. This is a test of the Rode VideoMic Go 2. The gain is at 100%. The input is peaking at between minus 9 and minus 6 decibels. So the gain seems okay. And I wanted to see how this actually sounds and what I can do to improve it and show you the steps in between. So this is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. That is how I treat my external audio files to get them to a quality that I like. I don't like doing compression and limiting if I can avoid it, because they destroy the waveforms and mess with the sounds. It all sounds squished together. I like to have a little bit of dynamics in my sound, and it sounds more natural that way. So thank you for watching, and I'll do more videos on Audacity and video creation processes later. So thank you. Bye.